to Melanie's family channel. This is Sophia and Melanie. You too?
Give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our video and make sure to hit that bell so we'll be notified any day we post a new video.
All right. This is June's glossybox unboxing. All right, Sophia, hit it, girl.
Oh my God, it's gonna hurt.
Go ahead. Do-do-do. Bum, bum, bum. Drum roll. All right. See what we got here. We got a sleek eyeshadow palette. We will do reviews on all of these later. We're just showing you what we got. Morgan Taylor nail polish. Ooh. That's really cool. Look at that. For your hair. It's like a bobby pin, but it's invisible. Deep conditioner mask for your hair. 2 of them.
Ooh.
Pretty cool. I love deep conditioners. We could both do one, sister. What is that? Looks like cleansing foam. And dun 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 dun, a purifying mask. A detox mask. So this is what we got in our box. We will do some reviews on these items and let's see what you got there, girlfriend. Show mama.
I think it's a poster.
Yep, it shows everything that's in there. Hold it up. Awesome. You guys can pause the video and zoom in and turn it over, girlfriend. Posting this, letting you guys know what we think. All right, bye everybody.
Bye.